Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make this beautiful and luxury car rental website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, which is responsive. That is, it can be accessed in mobile, tab as well as in desktop mode. Here we are in the home section with home, rent and ride and contact are the menu sections, and get started. Then we can choose the pickup and return location, start and stop time, that is from which time to which time, and you can search. Then we have wide ranges of vehicles available, that is cars, SUVs, vans and electric. Then you can also find nearby location from where you can access, where you can get the cars. And here we have your car, which car that you want to take. And as you see here, I have added a JavaScript function, that is, as the car changes, the price for the car also changes. Let me show you. Right now it is 395 and now it become 225 for this car, and it changes, it is 275 and is 625 per day. You can have more details or rent the car with the following buttons. And we have a small testimonial that is given by our customers. Then the brand of cars that are available for rent: Jaguar, Nissan, Land Rover, Audi. Then you can also download the application from App Store as well as Google Store. And to contact with us, to stay updated to the latest news, you can subscribe to our email, that is you can provide here. And here we have the resources like instruction manual, release note, community help, about, career, press note, products like demo, security, FAQs, features, and social media icons like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. You can follow us over there. So the website is also responsive. Website is entirely responsive, and you can see the revealing, which is done by JavaScript library. I have used this swiper library, which is very useful. You can give a very professional look to your website. How smoothly it reveals the products or sections, you can see. And this is also done by swiper library, that is JavaScript library, smoothly moving from one section to another. Then the website is also available in mobile view as well as tab view. Let's see, this is the desktop mode we have seen before, and now we try to go. Here we are. This is the mobile view. The wide ranges of vehicles, then the location and your cars. See, this is the mobile view of the responsive luxury car rental website. Here we have the menu section. Now definitely try to make your websites more responsive, that is, make sure that they are beautifully accessed in mobile as well as in your uh, desktop version, and as well as in your tab version. Let's see in the tab version. This is the tab version of the website. So always try to integrate APIs into your website like Swiper or libraries, so that it gives more professional look. Because these libraries, we don't have to code so much, it is very light code, and most of the work is done by these libraries only. So definitely try to go with there are a lot of JavaScript libraries available. And first definitely try to use a Swiper. It gives a very professional look to your website, very revealing. It is very good. You can see how smoothly the revealing of the sections are available, how smoothly it is revealing all the sections. So it is very less code, and it is very user friendly. You can easily learn from the official website also. So no need to worry about it. And the source code for this project is available in the description with live preview. And if you have any suggestions, if you want me to use any next projects that you want me to build, definitely try to comment below. And if you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.